The other thing I did want to show about the Yonanas was how to empty out the leftover contents into your bowl or whatever you're serving your bananas in. And put these in the sink and wash them off normally as you would, all the plastic pieces. So you'll see that you put all your fruit in, and you might notice that some of it didn't come out all the way. So what you will do is unscrew this part at the bottom, and there's going to be a lot of fruit left over. So what you'll do is use your scooper, this is why it's useful, and scoop all of that out. Just wash it normally as you would and put all the pieces away after they dry. Just do be careful because these are the blades that go on the inside, and you are going to want to gently take the pieces apart. This part in the inside comes off, and it will say this side up on one part. You just make sure to reassemble it that way after washing. Thanks for watching.